Good morning, guys. This morning I'm over here looking at stocks that are popping. The top gainers that we had early in the morning all started from yesterday. So one stocks has already gone up about 200% after the market has closed. In the morning, you always want to have patience because if people start to sell it, now you're going to be a loss. So I didn't touch any of them. The only stock that I had two was BGL. And it was because yesterday after hours it went up all the way to 185, and then this morning it dropped to 84. So that means that it dropped about $100. So I'm not gonna put more money in it to do anything. I just have to see what it does. But there's no formula trading that kind of stock. So I won't waste much time, but I had to see how it goes. The only stocks that I was looking at was BON and also MOGO came on board. Initially, I didn't see the news of MOGO, but it's a former runner. Those stocks always have people watching them anytime news comes. So they had a flagship, they launched a flagship Bitcoin portfolio, which made it move from $2 all the way to about 360. But like I said, my interest was in BON, so that's the only stock that I am watching as of now. I already got 170 shares as a starter. I got in at 183, but I'm still watching because they have secured a $60 million deal in China. And then not long ago, if you look here, they also did a shares repurchase program. But I have issue with the market capital. The market capital is less than $300,000. But the good thing about it is also the float. The float is also less than 200,000. So if this stock decide that it's moving, these are the stocks that can move like way up. So I'm just over here watching with my 170 shares to see how it goes, and then if I have to buy some, I will. If not, it's just 170 shares. If I have to come up, to come up, I'm gonna sit tight and see how everything goes. So I wish everybody luck. Trade cautiously, trade careful, and always never put all your money in one stock because if it doesn't go your way, then that's a trouble for you. So take care. See you again.